Hey, Precision Pyro here. We are doing a bunch of product evaluation, demonstration, and video this weekend. We got a lineup of new products and options that we're pretty excited about. First of all, you guys are all probably familiar with the Sonic Signals and the Thunder and Lightning. Sort of a newer version of that came out in the last couple years, is marketed by IWA International. They produce a flash report round, a wildlife control round, and they refer to it as a flash concussion round. It's basically a sonic signal or thunder and lightning with a plastic resin poured cap on top. That's sort of neat. It seals it in a little bit better and should create a lot more back pressure, so a little bit better distance, hopefully. We are going to sort of do a side-by-side comparison with these. We'll just shoot them back to back and see if you guys can tell any difference. They are nice and loud. They're loaded to the legal limit. Just an important advisory here. There's two terms that are really not good to use because they confuse law enforcement. The two terms are grenades and flashbangs. Flashbangs refer to a law enforcement load which is loaded beyond what is allowed for signaling and wildlife control. And so it confuses law enforcement and ATF when you refer to things as a flashbang. So we refer to these as wildlife control rounds, sonic signals, auditory alarms, things of this nature. Just so that's not a problem. And also the term grenade, calling your 37mm ammo grenades, is very obviously confusing to somebody who doesn't know anything about 37mm. So just keep all this in mind when you're building and or shooting using flash report rounds or wildlife control rounds. You don't want to draw any unwanted attention, especially to the industry. So I'm excited about putting these IWA bangers up to the test and see how they do. It should be fun. The other set of products, we're rolling out some new effects. One of them is the Mega Crackle or Crackle round. We do have them in the solid and the screw apart casings with the milled in powder cup. We also have a ready to load version. We also were finally able to get some of the more obscure components. So we're going to be rolling out some of the older ammo that's been out of stock for a while. I'm really hoping we can keep some of that stuff in stock, but we're going to stock everything we possibly can going into the holiday season. So we're going to demo these as well, and some of the other stuff. And last but not least, we got a bunch of these Saber 2.0 reloadable flashbangs. They use blanks and primers. So we're going to do a bunch of safety testing, evaluation, try to figure out what they can handle, what they can't. Anytime you've got a device like this, or 37mm, there are hazards. So you really need to have your head screwed on tight and really treat these things with respect. But I'm looking forward to putting this thing through its paces and hopefully get it up. If it tests well, we'll get it up on the website for the holiday season. So we are definitely going to go straight to a demo video now.
Ready? Going hot. Ready?